Today we're looking at the MT21 21 function multi-tool from Brooks. Brooks, you know and love them for their high quality leather cycling goods like their saddles. They're coming correct with the 21 function multi-tool. The MT21 has all your essentials in this lightweight and very fancy package. We have all the common hex wrenches that you use on the bicycle in metric measurements, the 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. We also have 3 different Torx wrenches, the T25, the T20, and the T10. We also have 2 Phillips, a smaller and a larger, and a flathead screwdriver over here. Chain tool, spoke wrenches for the most common spoke nipples that you find on bicycles, and because it's Brooks, a spanner to allow you to adjust the tension on the Brooks saddles. Have any questions about the Brooks MT21 21 function multi-tool or anything else? Give us a call or visit us at westernbikeworks.com.